How to hide photos on iPhone and even hide the hidden album. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to hide your photos and even the hidden profile or the album in your Photos app. First things first, open your Photos app and simply find the photo that you want to hide and tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen and simply click on hide photo. Once you've done that, let's find it in our hidden album. As you can see here in utilities, simply find hidden and simply tap hidden option to open it. Use Face ID to recognize or open the hidden album. As you can see here, our photo has been hidden. Now let's hide the hidden album as well. Open the settings app and simply find Photos app from the menu. Once you found it, simply scroll down and as you can see, show hidden album, simply toggle that option off. Now let's open photo and see that option is available or not. And that's it. That's how you can simply hide a photo and even hide the hidden album.